Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Spotify for creators. You will click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about Spotify and you will click here, Spotify for creators app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will you will enter to storage. After that you click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.